Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change your username on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've just created an account or want a new name that fits you better, the process is simple and only takes a few moments to complete. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the section that says Your Account. When that opens, choose Account Information. X may ask you to enter your password before continuing for security reasons, so type it in and click Next. Now you'll see your account details, including your username. Under Account Information, find the Username field. This is where you can edit your current username. Type in the new name you want to use. Make sure it follows X's username. Rules: it has to be unique and can't include spaces or certain symbols. Once you've chosen your new username, double check it for spelling and make sure you're happy with how it looks. Then scroll down and click the Save button. X will instantly confirm the change and your new username will update right away across your account. After that, you can return to your profile to see the new username displayed at the top of your page. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your online identity or match your other social handles. That's it. You've just changed your username on X using the web version on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more videos for other X tips and settings updates to keep your account optimized and up to date.